Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix meta verified option not showing on Instagram. To fix the missing meta verified options, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now, first thing first, you have to go ahead and open up your Instagram application, and after which you could go ahead and tap on the profile page. So tap on the profile page at the bottom and then tap on the menu bar at the top right. Now here you need to understand that there are some eligibility requirements. That is, first of all, your account type. Now it could be a personal account, but you have to make sure that your account has to be professional. So switch your account type. So come to the settings and privacy, and then you want to scroll down and you could go to account types and tool and then switch over to professional account. After which you also need to make sure that the account must belong to someone 18 or older, and meta verified is not available in all the regions, and you may have to wait for it to be rolled out in your area as well. Apart from it, you also need to check your account must represent a personal or a real person or a business, and you cannot have a history of inauthenticate activity like buying followers as well. After which, two-factor authentication, that is, turn on two-factor authentication for your account, and you need advanced protection enabled to your profile as well. Then you have to ensure your internet. Then you have to ensure that your Instagram account is linked to Facebook, as well as synchronized your Instagram and Facebook account by ensuring they have the same name, date of birth, and profile picture as well. Apart from it, you also need to try updating your app. That can be able to help. So these are a couple of things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.